Mastering your day, crafting the perfect schedule. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of time management, an essential skill for anyone, anywhere. Particularly, we'll focus on creating a daily schedule. By the end of this session, you should be equipped with knowledge and tips to organize your day efficiently. A daily schedule is more than just a list of tasks. It's a visual representation of how you plan to spend your time. This means it helps you. 1. Prioritize tasks. Decide what's important and tackle those tasks first. 2. Stay organized. No more forgetting meetings or deadlines. 3. Reduce stress. When you know what's coming, you're better prepared. 4. Increase productivity. A clear plan leads to better focus and efficiency. To craft the perfect daily schedule, ensure you include these essential elements. 1. Time slots. Start by dividing your day into blocks of time. 2. Tasks and activities. What do you plan to do in each time slot? 3. Breaks. Very crucial. Remember to give yourself short breaks to recharge. 4. Buffer time. Unexpected things happen. Have some free slots to manage the unforeseen. 5. Review time. At the end of the day, evaluate how you did and prepare for the next day. While the structure is essential, these tips can make your schedule truly effective. 1. Be realistic. Don't overload your schedule. Understand your limits. 2. Categorize tasks. Group similar tasks together for increased efficiency. 3. Stay flexible. Things change. It's okay to adjust your schedule if needed. 4. Use tools. While we aren't inserting links, consider apps or tools like planners, digital calendars, or to-do list apps to help. 5. Consistency is key. Try to maintain a consistent routine. It helps the body and mind adjust and operate optimally. And there you have it, dear learners. Crafting a daily schedule isn't just about listing tasks. It's about designing a day that works best for you. We hope this guide has given you a clear roadmap to manage your time efficiently. Until next time, stay organized and keep learning.